because delivery takes so much time. Hey guys, my name is Dakshi Gupta. Welcome back to my channel Code with Dakshi. So in this video guys, let's see that what is the output of Zomato scrapping. Okay guys, so this is the code as you can see, and this is so long. Okay, for this I am getting this output. You can see that there are links, names, address, ratings, price for to, and crusine. Okay, so you can see all the things in this. Okay, so I am getting, as you can see here, I am getting 370 restaurant. Okay, so this is about links, names, address, ratings, price for two, crusine, and list of restaurants. Okay, so this is the link here. I am getting the number 370, and after this, as you can see, kitchen name is Rukia's Kitchen. Then Hyderabad, rating is 3.6, price is 200 for one, pizza, fast food, North Indian. Cuisine is also available in this. Okay, if I talk about menu, okay, so guys, this is all about the delivery things. These are not about the dining things. Okay, so these are the menus of each restaurant. Okay, like you can see here, Spice 9 restaurant is having from 2 till it is going on continuously. I think there are many varieties in Spice 9. Yeah, so where it is, gone. Yeah, so 92 and so on. This is continuously going. Okay, yeah, from 12 to 207. Okay, so there are menu, the price is also here. Yeah, so for all 370 restaurants I am getting 31,626 menus with price. Okay, so guys, this is all about that what is the output of web scraping of Zomato. Okay, so we are getting here menu price also, and we are getting cuisine, ratings, title, and number of restaurants, address, name, link, all is available in this. So guys, if I want to check that, if I copy this one, okay, wait, I want to tell you something very interesting. Yeah, so in this one I am having, this is my file location and this is my website location. Okay, so guys, if I tell you that, if I paste here, right, if I paste here, so you can see that this is the delivery. Okay, dining out also there, but delivery is the major thing because delivery takes so much time. Okay, and dining out not take so much time. And guys, you can imagine that, can you imagine that this output took 2 hours to run. Okay, so guys, this is long. Okay, and the output will takes time in hours. In mine it took 2 hours, and in yours I don't know how much time it will take. Okay, so guys, if you want full tutorial of Zomato web scraping, okay, so please tell me in comments. Okay, I will make proper video on Zomato web scraping and how can you do the web scraping part. Okay, so this is the end of my video guys. I hope you like this. So please guys, like my video, subscribe my channel, and please follow me on Instagram. Link is in description. I hope you all are doing well. Thank you so much.